Hey traders, TG Watkins. It is October 5th, Wednesday, when I'm recording this, and today I wanted to talk about the VIX. But before I get there, what I wanted to show you is we basically had what appears to be an undercut and rally on the S&P going back to the June lows. So this would be, if this continues to move to the upside, then this is what we call a bear trap. We're also seeing some positive divergence here on the Moxie indicator on the hourly chart, and price just got really oversold and couldn't quite go further. So we got a bit of a flip, and I think that we should be expecting price to generally migrate its way back up, probably something like a bear flag. It may not be the easiest thing to trade, something like that. It could end up oscillating a lot like this, but I do think we're going to be generally working our way back up a little while for the next, however long we're going to be doing this. If we look at the VIX as part of a clue or indication as to what's going to be, possibly happening, I'm saying a couple things. Number one, it didn't quite make it up to this diagonal channel trend line, but what it did do is if you go left, it did make its way up to kind of the previous high. So every other time that the VIX has made it up that area, it's reversed. So it seems reasonable to think that it is likely going to reverse. It already has, but we'll have to see if it keeps continuing to the downside. If the VIX keeps moving to the downside, that's going to tell us that there's less pressure on the market and the S&P should move up. So we're going to be looking at that. The other thing as far as the Moxie indicator goes is we made new highs on the VIX, but we actually made lower highs with the Moxie indicator. That is negative divergence, and that is some of the stuff that is guiding me to the upside generally with the S&P, is because I see downside on the VIX. So hope you guys see what I see, and we'll see if that works out for a while, and we'll catch you at the next one. Thanks. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.